Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with KeaBee, and today we have something really fun planned for you. We kind of took a look at the subscription boxes we were getting from Fat Quarter Shop every month, and we saw that some other companies are putting some subscription boxes out as well. So we thought we would add one to our collection. So why don't you all grab your favorite cup of tea or coffee, mine's not in a fun teacup today, and come on in a little closer and let's look at a different subscription box. So you all know that we absolutely love our quilting subscription boxes. It's where I get a lot of my notions that I would not typically buy for myself. But 2 years ago, when Fat Quarter Shop had come out with the Sew Sampler box, my husband decided that it would be a little treat for me every month. And so he's been buying me those for almost 2 years now. We are anxiously awaiting their 2-year birthday box. I have an idea of what I think is in it, but I'm not so sure yet. So I love those every month. And I know that you all love watching unboxing videos of the quilting subscription boxes. And so what we decided to do is add another box to our collection. We're actually adding another 2 boxes to our collection. Today we are going to be unboxing the Quilters candy box. I am so excited about this one. I don't know about you all, but I love a good snack when I'm quilting, and so I'm excited that this box actually comes with one. So I have been watching unboxing videos of the Quilters candy box for a few months and have really wanted it, and just have refrained from that. And you know what? I've waited long enough, and so let's unbox this together. I've already cut the seal. It comes with a rather large yay it's finally here sticker, and so I didn't want that noise on camera, so I went ahead and cut that open. Comment down below if y'all get this box. I'm pretty excited. This is my first Quilters candy box, but I am really excited to open this. So first off, I see they have tissue paper, which is exciting. Like, this tissue paper is pretty. The other subscription box that we get, they don't have tissue paper anymore, and I kind of miss that a little bit. It's like a little present. So let's get this open. So you can, it says this on the side of the box, you can post videos on social media platforms with the hashtag Quilters Candy Box if you get their boxes, and that enters you to win next month for free, which would be really exciting. So I'm going to need to do that on our Instagram. So first thing, we just have some literature here. Let me see. Cool. I don't want to read this because this has everything that's in the box, and I really like to be surprised what I find in the box instead of read it off of the literature first. But that will help me explain it to you after I've pulled everything out. It will really help you, help me explain it to you what it is. So I'm just looking at the things on top and I'm pretty excited. Okay, so let's get the sweets out of the way first. So this is a Crispy Cakes Plain and Sweet, a simple essential mixture of oven crisp rice and marshmallows. Y'all, this Rice Krispie treat, I love Rice Krispie treats. I love Rice Krispie treats. Every year for Christmas, my kids and I make Rice Krispie treat ornaments and ice them. We love Rice Krispie treats. This thing is ginormous, which I found out is an actual word now. This thing is huge, and so that's really exciting. I'm gonna have to share that with my boys. So we have a very large Rice Krispie treat. We have some glass head pins made in Japan by Tulip. These are very pretty. These are very pretty. Okay, so some glass head pins. It looks like pink and green, so that's exciting. Oh, I see this fabric. This is so pretty. So this is funny. This top one, I don't know if you can see that really well. This top one has tacos all over it. So that's really cute. Oh, and this is wrapped really easily, so I can just take it apart. So this one has tacos all over it with different multicolored hearts on it. This one is just a really fun floral pattern, so that's really exciting. That coordinates. Oh my goodness. Then we have all these cactus. So that's super cute and fun. Oh, and I love this mustard color. So this is a mustard kind of color with like almost little paintbrush strokes on it is what it looks to be. That is really, really sweet fabric. Those are so adorable. I love them. And they feel like more than quarter yard. They feel like half yard cuts. So we're going to have to look at our literature and figure that one out. This is exciting. I really like this fabric. It's not something I would typically buy, but I just know that that would make a really fun quilt for a teenager or a young adult that's going off to college. That would be really fun. So we've got that. Okay, so here's what you need to know about me. On Instagram, I follow the lady that curates these boxes, and I saw on her Instagram post last week sometime when she was kind of posting different things, she was wearing this slap bracelet, and I thought, what is that? Because it had pins on it, and so it seemed to me to be magnetic. So we actually got one of those. This is a clover pin and stow. And so it's a magnetic slap bracelet, and it has the divot in the center. If y'all don't know, that is super important in a magnetic pin holder, because if you know the magnets are strong enough, that dip in the center helps you get your finger under there to pull a pin off instead of trying to pull it off from either the head of the pin or the tip of the pin, which could actually hurt you. So this is a fun slap bracelet. Oh, I'm just going to try this out real quick. How amazing is that? And then your pins just go right there. That is so exciting. It also shows, oh, if they're out on the desk, then you can just turn it over and pick them up this way. That's really fun. See, and that's typically something that I wouldn't spend on myself because it's not a necessity, but I buy the box, so they send me fun gifts that I wouldn't typically buy for myself. And so there I have it. That's pretty exciting. I was really kind of hoping that she had included those in the box, and I'm really glad she did. Okay, so we've got that. And it looks like lastly we have our pattern. This is called Fishing Net by Susie Quilts. This is so adorable. I don't know if you can see that. It almost looks like a plaid. And I'm going to flip this around to the back because she has done it in black and white, but her backing, I'm not sure if you can see that, is a teal. That would make such a fun pop of color if you did a black and white quilt and then the back was a bright color. That would be really, really fun. So this is either a throw size or a baby quilt pattern. So that is really stinking cute. So let's read a little bit about this box. It was curated by Susie Quilts, who was this pattern designer. Our box includes 4 half-yard cuts of day trip fabric designed by Dana Willard for Art Gallery Fabrics. You have some lovely low volume fabrics along with a great mixer fabric. 2 yards total. So we have 4 half-yard cuts. So I was right. This felt a little bit bigger than quarter yard fabrics, fat quarters. So that's pretty exciting. And then, yes, we do have Susie's Fishing Net pattern. This is one of Susie's beautiful, bold patterns. And it's very modern, so it's very, very cute. The Clover brand slap bracelet magnetic pin holder. As Susie said, it's also my favorite accessory to wear out on the town. That's pretty exciting. And then we have our Tulip brand glass head pins. These are the sharpest, most beautiful pins, perfect for your quilting projects. So that's really cute. And then of course, we have our Lowly and Pops Plain and Simple Crispy Dream Bar. And then at the bottom of this literature, it says, again, post a photo of your box using hashtag Quilters Candy Box to win a free box. I really liked this. I thought this was a really good first box for me. I'm excited. To get 2 yards of fabric is quite a lot. And so I'm really excited about that. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of this box. Do you get this box? What was your favorite thing that you received in your box? So we want to thank you all so much for joining us in the Hive today. I really like doing these unboxings. I think they're super fun. They are a good break from the quilting tutorials that we do like to do as well. So if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you for joining us in the Hive today, and we will see you later.